Welcome back to DNA Channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we replaced our 1965 basement windows that are in metal bucks. The old windows were aluminum frames that just sit against the metal buck and are held in with two tabs at the top. They let in dirt, cold air, and our biggest problem were the bugs. We had a constant bug problem in our basement. So while we were starting a perimeter drain project this summer, we decided to replace all of our basement windows. We removed one aluminum window so we could get accurate measurements and ordered them from Home Depot. We opted for Andersen picture windows with no screens except for the bathroom one. While they were being made, we removed all the aluminum windows and started sanding and painting the metal bucks. This was a tedious, dirty job that I failed to get good footage of. We used a combination of paint stripper, wire brushes, Dremel tools, and a triangular sanding pad on an oscillating tool. Once prepped, I wiped everything down with a tack cloth to remove all the dust particles and painted a rust inhibitor where needed. After that dried, we painted the bucks black. We put 2 coats of paint on, and each night we taped cardboard over the openings. We also cleaned and repainted the interior side of the window openings and caulked any gaps between the drywall and the metal buck. We used quad sealant to adhere the windows to the metal bucks. I used a nice bead around the outside and then put the window into place. Then I used clear silicone around the interior sides of the window. If I were to do it again today, I'd use white silicone because once the clear dried completely, you could see the dark buck behind it. On the outside of the windows, we caulked it with black silicone. There was a great tool we found that smoothed out your caulk bead. It worked so much better than my finger. I put the link down below. Since the window had screw holes that weren't being used, I found these little white plugs to fill the holes. They are also linked down below. With a little tap of a small hammer, they went right in. And here are some pictures of the end result. Overall, I'm so happy we tackled this project. Those windows were so ugly and the project seemed so daunting. I'm so happy it's completed. I really hope this helps somebody else complete a project of this type. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe.